You may come across a self-hosted option like Sendy that will allow you to install software on your server and to be your own email service. When you're shopping for costs, one option that you're going to come across, you'll see an email platform like Sendy, and it's basically one where you are self-hosting the entire autoresponder system. So instead of using something like Aweber, GetResponse, or MailChimp servers, you're going to be using one that you control. So it's going to run and operate on your server. And typically you'll have a virtual private server or a private server, and you'll be running this software. Self-hosted options require software platforms like Sendy. So you do need to have a gateway. And so Sendy is going to be the gateway between you and other services like Amazon SES, which actually supply the email. So it's Sendy or the service plus a service like Amazon SES. Other people may use something like SendGrid. However, the most cost-effective way to self-host your email and attach to an email service is going to be Amazon SES. You do need to be proficient in doing the setup. And so this is going to be something that you're either going to have to do yourself or you're going to have to hire out, whether you're talking about setup, maintaining the server, or doing repairs on the server when that is needed. Sendy will assist you in keeping up with some changes, but it is going to be your responsibility to keep up changes with the inbox standards. So whatever Gmail or Yahoo or Hotmail, whatever their standards are, that's going to have to be something that you are going to want to be aware of because you are hosting the actual email. Now, if you are not technical and you can't hire out somebody to manage this on your own, you may want to consider other options. And by other options, we obviously mean that you want to have one that's going to be hosted itself and not self-hosted. Now, the way to look at this, though, is that if what you're paying right now would be equal to someone helping you or assisting you in maintaining and setting up the server, it may be a viable option for you. The most important aspect of understanding Sendy and other self-hosted options is that when you see the cost, it's not just a cheaper way to run an autoresponder. You have more responsibility in the maintenance on the technical side than you would when you hand it over to a company like Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, or Constant Contact.